Hey there! In this lesson, I'm going to talk about Carnival and the history surrounding this entertaining celebration. Carnival traditionally takes place right before Lent. It's actually a pagan festivity celebrated right before this other Christian festivity. And it represents the freedom and joy of previous to a period full of restrictions. For example, Christians aren't allowed to eat meat during Lent. There are even some representations worshipping the god Dionysius. Masks are essential and traditional element in Carnival, since people used them to hide and set aside their everyday life. This celebration is really popular in many places around the world. For instance, one of the most well-known carnivals is Rio de Janeiro Carnival. People wear elaborate and world-famous costumes, such as the one you see on the screen. Another popular carnival is the Carnival of Venice. Masks are an important feature of the Venetian Carnival, as well as elaborate and overdone costumes. It's a good example of how people hide behind their masks. In places like Germany and surrounding areas, carnival parades satirize and make fun of individual politicians, public figures, etc. Anyway, it can be said that in almost all the places where carnival is celebrated, it's a fun, entertaining tradition to wear costumes and be spontaneous. This is the carnival spirit. We can find infinite types of costumes. Well, as we are going to design our character wearing different costumes and styles, I've selected two of the most popular carnival costumes in the world. However, in this case, I'm going to base on the Carnival of Venice to develop my character. And well, in the next lesson, I'll be showing you basic references of the Carnival of Venice to give you some ideas to create your own design. So, see you in the next video.